Let's start by going through this scenario again where we start with an 80-degree piece of steel, 20-degree water. We place that in here. Now we have a situation. We have warm and we have cool. So heat will flow out, won't it, from the block into the water. The block cools, the water warms. We still have a temperature difference here. We have warm and we have cool, so we have more heat that flows out. Now let's say we're down to 45 here and 55 here. Still a difference, warm and cool, more heat flows out. Again, this cools, that warms. We're not quite to equal yet, are we? But finally, when we get down here, more flows out. We reach 50 and 50. No more heat will flow, will it? Because heat flows from warm to cool, but if the temperatures are the same, there's going to be no heat flow. This whole process is called thermal equalization, where the temperatures come together. But the important word really is here, this spot here, where we are equal. We call that thermal equilibrium. Equilibrium is a term we use in physics to mean when two things are equal, and here it's the two temperatures, isn't it? So when they become the same temperature, heat stops flowing at thermal equilibrium. I want to see if these pictures are correct. We know heat flows from warm to cool and hot to cold. So is this diagram correct? Warm and cool, heat coming out. Is that correct? It is. But before I do that, note your code. It's going to get wiped out in the next slide. BZ, BZ, BZ. This is correct. Warm, cool, heat flowing out. Now we have warm, cool, heat flowing in. Is that correct? Of course not. That would be going from cold to warm, right? That is incorrect. False. It's not correct. How about here? 50 and 50, and I show heat flowing out of that 50. Correct? No. The heats are the same. No more flow of heat. Pardon me, the temperatures is the same. No more flow of heat. How about here? Well, it's same as here, isn't it? They're the same. There's no flow in either direction. This time from the water to the block. No, it's not true. The only one that's correct is here, where you have warm and cool and flow out from warm to cool. That's the only correct picture. So that's it. I just wanted to emphasize thermal equilibrium. When the temperatures become the same, there's no flow. Once two objects reach the same temperature, heat stops flowing because the temps are the same, right? This is called temperature equilibrium. I'll read this and we'll finish. Heat will only flow and temperatures will only change when objects are in contact are not the same temperature. When objects in contact are not the same temperature. Then you'll have flow from warm to cool. Same? Nope. No more flow. You're at temperature equilibrium.